Good morning, dear student. Class 10. Today I will teach you about chapter 2, defining the FTP and Telnet protocols. First of all, we will know about protocols. What is a protocol? And there are two protocols we have to define, FTP and Telnet protocol. Protocol is a set of rules that are used to perform a specific task in the internet. First of all, we will discuss about FTP, that is also called File Transfer Protocol. File Transfer Protocol is used to transferring your file on the internet. There are two types of transferring file. File is sometime uploading and sometime we are used to download file from the internet. Both these services are completed by the FTP, that is called a protocol, file transfer protocol. Generally, file transfer protocol are used to upload and download file. Sometimes we have need to download some information on the internet about any website. किसी भी वेबसाइट से हम कुछ स्पेशल इंफॉर्मेशन को डाउनलोड करना चाहते हैं, एक्सेस करना चाहते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड डाउनलोडिंग इंफॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम द इंटरनेट. देयर इज ए प्रोटोकॉल रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर FTP that are used to downloading your file, as well as when we are downloading file from the internet, a client computer, that is also called a local host, and remote host. Remote host is called a server computer. Server is powerful computer that are used to store large amount of data on the server, and we are used to access information from the internet with help of the FTP protocol. Whenever we are used to downloading file from the internet, we are used to send request to the server, and server accept your request and provide your specific page as downloading and save as a form of file. Same as well as when we are uploading, sometime we are used to create our own file. हम लोग कभी अपना खुद का फाइल क्रिएट करते हैं, and after that we are used to upload your file on the internet for discussing many peoples, for sharing your ideas and thought, for sharing your videos on internet. We are used to uploading our file. Uploading is a process of upload your file, transfer your file to the server. सर्वर पे हम लोग अपने फाइल को ट्रांसफ़र करते हैं. वर्किंग विथ FTP. FTP वर्क ऑन कम्युनिकेशन बिटवीन क्लाइंट एंड सर्वर. क्लाइंट एंड सर्वर के बीच इट इज़ ए कम्युनिकेशन. क्लाइंट इज ए सिंपली कंप्यूटर दैट रिक्वेस्ट इंफॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम द FTP server. Client is a local server. On the receiving the request, FTP server provide the desired information to the client. FTP based communication make use of following two channels: control channel, data channel. Control channel remain connected till the client and server communication. Data channel open and close only when data has to be transferred between the client and server. The FTP server keep running the background process. When the client requests permission to connect the server, the file transfer, the server verify the authentication detail of user. आपकी email ID से आपको verify करेगा. After it will be allow you to transferring your file. There are some freely available Linux-based FTP software are FileZilla. Provide a free FTP solution for multiple platform, and as well as there is a cache balance, GFTP, and non-query and FTP Cube are some special server that are used to transferring your file. Next we will discuss about Telnet protocol. Telnet is a protocol that are generally used to connect your computer with network, connect one or more computer to the internet network. Telnet can be defined as a set of rules that enable a computer to communicate with another computer in network. The computer requesting for the connection is known as the local machine. That computer are request for the connect, it is called a local machine, and computer which is request made, it is called a remote machine. The remote machine can be located anywhere on the network on the internet. Telnet override the local interpretation of all the key strokes. Therefore, the keystroke work on the same way on the local as well as remote computer. Okay, students, just we will also discuss about defining a block. Defining a block. Block are blocks. Blogs are a forum that are used to share your idea. Generally, blog is also a type of website. It is your own website that are used to display your idea and thoughts. Among the many people, we can share our information, ideas, thought to the many other peoples through the internet with help of the blog. Blog is also called Weblog and the short name is blog. Blog can be defined as website or part of a website containing the thought and idea of user written in the form of continuous commentary on the subject. Other user can read the blog as well as post their comments. Nowadays, blogs have become one of the most popular interaction mode of the communication on the internet. Most people are using blog to share their information nowadays. Some common type of blogs are as follows. There are three type of blogs are created as like a personal blog. In personal blog, we are used to share our personal details. Corporate and organization blog. Some companies and corporates are also develop their blogs to as a advertisement and as a share their information. General blog. General blog refer to blog that contain information like articles, discussion related to the particular subject. For example, the genre blog are art blog, fashion blog, music blog, and political blogs are used in genre blogs. Just we are used to learn to how to create your blog. कैसे हम लोग अपने blog को create करेंगे? First of all, go on the internet and type the address of your any blog as like www.blogger.com is a website. To create your own blog, हम लोग खुद का अपना website as a blog हम लोग बनाएंगे. And after we are used to share our documents, information, type the address of the blog in the address bar and press the enter key. Click on the create limited blog profile. Enter the detail name of the blogger profile in the display name text box. Click the continue blog button as shown. There are given some steps to creating your blogs. The blog dashboard appear in your. You can create a new blog. Click on the create a new blog option. Create new blog dialog box will appear. Enter the title of blog. Blog का title enter करेंगे. Enter the address of the blog address. Select the template for your blogs. Blog के लिए हम लोग template select करेंगे. And after clicking the create blog button as shown given in your book, your blog will be created and now you are ready to define your information. Next we will learn about defining the forum. Defining forum. फोरम के बारे में देखेंगे हम लोग. फोरम इज आल्सो ए website that function as an online message board. It is also a online message board. Forum, most people are using nowadays forum and upload their message, share their message on the forum and share to many people with information. User can use forum to hold online discussion on the particular issue on any subject, posting their message. Therefore, forum provide an idea platform user who want to express their thought or opinion about a particular issue topic and discuss them other users. As like many students, many profession and professional person में फोरम के यूज़ किए जा रहे हैं और वहाँ से अपने मैसेज को हम लोग क्रिएट करते हैं. आफ्टर द क्रिएट ए फोरम पेज, there are some websites for creating your forum. www.forumsfree.com, forummotion.com are used to creating your forum. And there are given some steps for creating your forum blogs, and after that you are able to share your opinion and thoughts with help of the forum. Students, more detail are given in your book for creating a forum. Now see in your book and let's try to create your own blogs and forum. Okay, that's it is last of your topic, and next topic we will discuss in next classes. Thanks all of you.